This is the Elite Compact Greenhouse. It is 4 foot 3 inches wide and is available in unlimited lengths. If you have limited space, then the Compact is perfect for you to grow and seed your plants. It is ideal for small gardens, courtyards, terraces, and urban living. For a compact greenhouse, it still has all the great features of the Elite range. It comes as standard with locking double doors, complete with sleek handles. Like most Elite greenhouses, the Compact also comes as standard with an aluminium integral base. The double doors are lowered into the base, so there is no awkward step over going in or out of the greenhouse. The integral base allows you to put the greenhouse on a hard or soft surface. This model is situated on a flagged, hard surface area and has been anchored down internally using angle brackets. All Elite greenhouses come complete with semicircular integral gutters, adding strength to the eave corners. A rainwater collection kit can be added. Ventilation is important in a greenhouse. Every Elite building has at least one roof vent. This Compact has one vent, and automatic openers can be used. There are lots of accessories which can be used, such as shelving and staging, to fully utilise the greenhouse space. Packages are also available on the Compact to group together all the essential accessories you need. This model shows full sheet toughened safety glass and is powder coated in graphite, one of 11 Elite colour options. It comes complete with the Elite 10-year frame guarantee. All Elite greenhouses and lean-tos are made here in the UK. For more information on the Compact or any of our other products, please call or visit our website.